A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany. Today's topic, Mini GT. We have two versions of the Toyota GR Supra, and this one here is the first one, the Pandem Toyota GR Supra version 1.0 in matte gray. And then we have this one here, the HKS Toyota GR Supra in Nocturnal. So I would say let's start with this one here. As you can see, it has no plastic wrapping. That is because I already did this video to a certain point, but unfortunately my recording stopped and now I have to do it again. Normally I do real-time unboxings and you see how I cut the plastic wrapping. That's just because I like when my viewers are going through the whole process of emotions when you are opening up these cars. Normally on these Mini GTs you don't have any disappointments, but if you have other brands, sometimes like maybe Greenlight or something, they have some flaws, and I think this is life and this is diecast collecting, and I think it's always important that you see what can happen if a part is falling off or if you got some flaws or something. So now let's take a quick look at the packaging. This is the number 250. If you are new to this channel and not familiar with Mini GT, normally they come in these cardboard boxes. As I said, they have a plastic wrapping. The other one here, as you can see, still has it. And inside the cardboard box you have a plastic piece that is protecting the car, and that's really cool because it does protect your diecast car very well. And if you don't have your car on display always, you can just put it back in the packaging and store the car, and that is clever packaging. So let's take this car out of the packaging, and the important thing is always put the plastic piece right back, because if you own a lot of these cars like I do and you are mixing up these plastic pieces, it's really hard to find the right one for your car, because every of these pieces is made especially for the car it comes with. So now let's take a closer look. As I said, if you're not familiar with Mini GT, normally they have a metal body, a metal base that is secured with screws. You have rubber tires and rubber mirrors. Oh, these are very, very soft windows. Sometimes they're a little bit harder. And these Mini GTs normally do roll very good. Yeah, perfect as always. So I would say this is my favorite brand right now in 1/64 scale. Really cool models, really cool decos, really nice details. And so look at the back of this car. These are inserted taillights. Look at those details. We have painted exhaust tips, license plate that says Pandem. We got the Toyota badge. Below you can read Supra, really cool. Here the Pandem badge on the door. And we also got inserted headlights, the Toyota badge on the hood. Got a big wing. The defroster lines on the rear window. So let's take a quick look inside. So this is a right-hand drive version. I don't know if you can see it. It's hard because of the reflections. Yeah, I would say not much to see inside. So this is one of the cars. I would say normally I'm not too excited about Toyota GR Supra, but these mini GT versions are really, really cool. So this is kind of a, yeah, I don't know, matte silver, satin silver. Really cool. And yeah, cool black rims. Nice. So let's drive this guy here in the background. Let's go on with the other one. Here we have the number 226. The HKS Toyota GR Supra in Nocturnal deco. So let's take a look. First you will notice are the rims. I think this one does look fantastic. These bright red 5-spokes. Really cool. Glossy black paint job. This massive wing on the back. Attached near the license plate. And you got the blue exhaust tips. HKS on the license plate, the Toyota badge. Also the lensed taillights for sure. And one thing that is different are these, to be honest, I don't know how you call them, these kind of additional wings on the fenders, the rear fenders. Also metal body, metal base for sure. Yeah, does look very cool. So let's see how this one rolls. Perfect as expected. So yeah, that is the thing about Mini GT normally. These cars are perfect if you open the packaging, and that is really cool. Not every brand is like that. So this one here is the second version of this HKS Supra. I'll show you the other one. Rolling in. And this one here, which is also fantastic with the white 5-spokes. Let's do a quick comparison. Yeah, really cool. So sometimes for me it's just the deco that makes the whole car. If this was a plain white version of the GR Supra, I don't think that I would have bought it, but these versions are very cool. And I think with the brand Mini GT you get a lot of diecast for your money. So these are the Mini GT versions, and maybe if you are interested in, this is the Hot Wheels version. I think this white one was the first one of this GR Supra. There's also a yellow version. So you can see the difference between a €1 car and a 10 or 12 euro car. So the Hot Wheels version has painted headlights for sure, plastic rims, plastic base. No details on the back. Yeah. So if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and yeah, I say thanks for watching. Happy hunting. Bye.